Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is Mutton Yakhni Pulao. This pulao is so traditional, so nostalgic, so aromatic and tasty that I couldn't resist myself sharing this recipe with you all. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Firstly, we will prepare yakhni, and for that we will need mutton. I have taken 500 grams of properly washed mutton. Take a cooker and transfer all the mutton into it. We will also add 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 10 to 15 black peppercorns, around 7 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamons. Here I am adding some garlic cloves, 4 green cardamons, 2 bay leaves and salt to taste. Now I am adding 4 cups of water because I will be taking 2 cups of rice for making the pulao. So the idea is water should be double the quantity of rice. Give it a mix and cook it on high flame for 6 whistles. In the meantime, we will prep our rice. I have taken 2 cups of long grain basmati rice, washed them a couple of times and then soak in water for half an hour. After cooking for 6 whistles on high flame, we will check if the yakhni is done or not. So you see that the mutton is properly cooked and it's time to proceed further. Okay, now we will take all the mutton pieces out of the stock and then strain the stock to separate the spices. Our mutton stock is ready. Rice is already soaked and now I am going to slice 2 medium-sized onions. Next, take 2 big spoons of refined oil into a heavy bottom vessel like this. Add the sliced onions and fry them till they become brown in color. Transfer them on a kitchen towel so that they remain crispy. Now in the remaining oil, I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few black pepper and cloves, 4 crushed green cardamons, 4 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick and mutton pieces. Let it fry for a minute or so. And then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of dried coconut powder and 4 to 5 green chillies cut into larger pieces. Mix it well and also add little water to avoid our spices getting burnt. Now add half cup of curd and stir quickly so that it won't curdle. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and herein goes our mutton stock, 1 lemon juice, 2 slices of lemon for the extra refreshing aroma. Bring it to a boil and then add our soaked rice. As we took 4 cups of water while making yakhni for 2 cups of rice, we don't need to adjust it here, as you can see that water level is approximately an inch above the rice level. Here I tasted the yakhni to check salt and it's all perfect. Now partially cover the lid and cook on high flame till 90% of water evaporates. When most of the water evaporates, but still there is little moisture at the base, now we will cover the lid fully and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes of slow cooking, our rice is perfectly done, and now it's time to add some vibrance to our pulao. Here I am drizzling 1/4 spoon of orange food color mixed in a tablespoon of milk, and last but not the least 6 to 7 drops of kevda water. Cover the lid quickly, keep it covered for 1 more minute. Now switch off the flame and your mutton yakhni pulao is ready. Garnish it with some fried onion or birista and serve hot with red chilli and garlic chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.